Tuesday. This is usually my optimal laundry day because it's the quietest here, and that really helps with keeping your distance from people. People here have been very good about wearing masks as well, which I really appreciate. I'm here at Aqua Laundry Centers. There's a few reasons why I chose this place. I didn't want to carry a ton of quarters to do laundry in case I had to, and so found a place that does credit cards. What you do is you add money to a certain card that they have using your credit card, but it enables you to at least not have to carry a ton of quarters. That's kind of important because they get heavy and it's hard to use cash nowadays, especially during the pandemic, where some places are credit card only type of establishments. So that's a big thing to factor. Really, one of the reasons why I'm having to do this also is because of the pandemic. The hotel where I'm staying at is on a limited staff. Laundry services aren't quite offered, even though that's allowed with my travel allowance. If they don't offer it, then I just got to do it myself. And so that's why I'm here, doing my own laundry. A little more of the mundane stuff with business travel, but gotta do it. Can't really pack a month's worth of clothes. I don't even know if I own a month's worth of clothes. So here we are. All right, time to dry.
"48 hours later."
Okay, that's it. This is my last day here at the supplier. So this assignment is done. I'm on my way home tomorrow, and I'm trying to catch a little break in the rain here. Tonight, packing, maybe a last snail mail run, and yeah. It's been fun. Different, but fun in its own way. I'm gonna go see if I can also check out a few other sites. Maybe.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Okay, I gambled, made it here, Ocean Drive. I'm not gonna stick around too long. Figured I'd go take a few pictures and then just head out. So, made it. It's a pretty cool place. They've closed down Ocean Drive so that they can allow people to eat and all that stuff. But I heard it closes down at 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna make it quick and head back to the hotel. So, yeah, 8 o'clock. Let's get out of here.
I'm madly in love with you.
Ooh, that was like 2 minutes of walking down Ocean Drive. About all you can do. It'd be cool to come back when it's safer. It was nice to actually see it. Got a glimpse of the Atlantic Ocean on the other side over there. So I'm pretty happy with that. If the coronavirus wasn't around, I would have stayed much longer, but I'm good with what I saw. So I think I'm off to Wynwood Walls now. Let's go check that out. Hopefully it's a bit better. We'll see. If not, you just kind of go in, hop out, because you still have to pack. So we'll see.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Alright, I really have to pack, but one of the people I worked with mentioned I should go visit the Wynwood Walls. So that's where I am. It's a really colorful area. You know me when it comes to color. I love colors, so this is cool. Let's go check it out.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Okay, so it looks like they've closed down for safety. We can see a lot of stuff from the outside. This is such a cool and colorful area. I really hope to come back here one day and really check it out. Outside of the Wynwood Walls area, there's a ton of color here. I'm excited to come back. But we see what we see. I should really go pack now. So off to the car and back to the hotel.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.